I'd like a set of clothes for the wedding.
You've come to the right place. And when you change into it, I'll tell you right away if it's appropriate for the wedding. I know what I'm talking about. I'm invited too. I sewed clothes for the groom.
I'd like to discuss the price.
All right, I'm listening.
Is this enough?
That's almost an acceptable price. Almost. Very well, then. Thank
should
you.
eat something.
Take care.
I could go for something to eat now. What do you think? Can I wear this to the wedding?
Magnificent. I couldn't have picked a better outfit myself. I think you're ready to duck.
Excuse me, I'm looking for someone.
Loads of people have been in the pillory, and you know what it's like.
You haven't seen him then? Tall, fair-haired, fancies himself and talks like...
Sorry, but I'm swamped with work because of the Semine wedding. Everyone wants new clothes from me. Even Bashka the butcher ordered a jacket fit for a king, and he isn't even going to the wedding. So no, I haven't...